I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Barracuda X is charged and the correct dongle is at hand. Once done, decide docked versus handheld. Docked uses a USB-A port in the dock, handheld uses the USB-C dongle or a USB-C adapter. Power on the headset and the switch. Why this matters? The 4 GHz dongle gives low latency game audio and automatic pairing. Having current switch firmware avoids unexpected compatibility issues during the process. With the dongle inserted, you now complete the physical connection. Insert the USB-A dongle into the dock's USB port or the USB-C dongle into the switch bottom if handheld. Make sure it's fully seated. Turn the Barracuda X on. It should auto-pair to the dongle, and the headset LED will indicate connection. You'll hear game audio once linked. Adjust the switch volume and headset volume. This method preserves low latency and full stereo sound because the dongle handles audio. Finish by testing audio in a game and confirming volume levels on both the switch and the headset. Make sure you understand the mic limitation. Switch online voice chat runs through the smartphone app, so the headset mic may not work for party chat unless the game supports it or you use a wired solution. If you encounter problems, troubleshoot by reseating the dongle, rebooting the console, verifying battery charge, or trying another USB port. These steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.